Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Form 8949 workflow in TurboTax, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open TurboTax on your computer and log into your account. Select the specific tax return you're working on for the current tax year. Navigate to the Federal Taxes section in the main menu. Look for Wages and Income and click on it. Scroll down to the section titled Investment Income. Select Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other. If you haven't entered any investment sales, choose Sale of Investment, and then click Continue. Input the name of the investment you sold. Next, enter the date you acquired the investment and the date you sold it. Provide the sales price of the investment. Enter the cost basis or purchase price of the investment. If you have additional adjustments, you can include them in the appropriate fields. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. If you sold multiple investments, repeat the process for each sale. After entering all sales, TurboTax will summarize your capital gains and losses. Ensure you select Form 8949 if prompted to report these figures in detail. Continue through the TurboTax prompts, ensuring you don't miss any questions related to investment income. Once completed, TurboTax will calculate your overall tax implications from your investment sales. Review the final summary to ensure all data is correct before submitting your return. Once everything is accurate, proceed to file your tax return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.